The overall goal of the following experiment is to characterize the nature of stable radicals on the surface of solid carbon substrates and the effect of oxidation on those radicals. This is achieved by preparing dried carbon samples at 95 degrees Celsius in a vacuum oven. As a second step, a diamagnetic gas flow is flashed through the samples, and the nature of the carbon radicals is detected by EPR spectroscopy, which characterizes the nature and rate of formation of carbon radicals in an inert environment. Next, air or oxygen is flowed through the carbon sample in order to follow the disappearance of carbon radicals in an oxidizing environment. The results show that carbon substrates are affected differently by oxidation treatment depending on their composites and pore density based on BET, FTIR, and EPR measurements.
The implications of this technique extend toward solid energy resources such as coal, because these oxidation processes have important implications to proper storage and utilization.
Though this method can provide insight into surface functional groups on solid surfaces, it can also be applied to other systems such as zeolites, mesoporous materials, and monolayers.
We first had this idea when we found out that various coal samples are characterized by different radical natures.